what about exercise? Exercise always helps. It does two things. It burns off and expends that energy, but it also changes metabolism. And when you exercise, that's the reason why diet alone often doesn't work. You need to kind of change metabolism, not only in people but in dogs, so that we can lose the weight and our pets can lose their weight, and then it helps to keep it off. What's interesting is in some studies is that 70 to 90% of pet owners believe, consider the dog to be a family member, a child. And then when I talk to clients directly, we talk about their children. And there's a lot of benefit to even just taking your dog for a walk. It's a social activity. It's a human. It gives you a chance to interact with your dog. It's a purposeful activity. And it's not only beneficial to your dog who may be overweight, but to yourself as well. Especially, again, remember that middle-aged and older adult humans are more likely to own overweight dogs. And so in those older adults, it improves morale. There's less depression. That lowers blood pressure. It changes blood fat levels. It's easy. It's inexpensive. It's fairly convenient. Depends on the neighborhood where you live. And it depends on how well trained your dog is. But there are ways, again, to get them trained if they're not, and to exercise them safely so that, again, they're expending energy. To lose a pound of fat, they have to have a deficit of around 3,500 calories. So you need, and walking burns off about 7 calories a minute. And so it at a good pace. And so exercising helps to slowly and in a controlled fashion increase the amount of energy that's being expended, not only by the dog, but by you as well, the pet owner.